Welcome back to another episode. Here we are today, front of the chassis, try to tear apart the front end today. And I got a couple other cameras going around here so we can try to do something different, capture a couple angles, some things, and don't feel like too much like talking today. My voice is a little hoarse, so I'm just going to work. I told you to come out. Just like that. Spin those off. Little tip right here. Getting ready to pull this upper control arm off. It's got some spacers right in here, the alignment spacers, to make sure that the alignment stays correct and true. I'm going to put a little dab, 2 different colored paint, one on each one so I know where the spacers go. And then I'll do the same thing with 2 different colors when I go to the other side. Just like that. Don't need much, just a little dab of it. Yep, just got done here. Got all the front end tore apart. Got the upper lower control arms out, the springs are out. Making room for start installing the airbags. I won't be able to do that today as I have to go get some different metal to build the cups for the airbags. But it's Thursday today, I believe. And I'll probably end up going to get the metal probably Saturday morning, I think. Might be a good time. Meantime, after this, I'm gonna set this frame down on the ground, and there's a cross member in the rear. I'm gonna get ready to take the cross member out, and I might start cutting the frame today. We'll see what happens. Please stay tuned. If you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe. If there's anything, got any questions for me, any questions about the build, put them down in the comments below. Well, I did a few measurements off camera here, and getting ready to cut off the back half of the frame here so that I can make it how I want it. I got a mark right here. There's an angle in the frame that comes up at a consistent angle right here, and I'm going to cut it off right before it curves down and becomes flat over the original axle. His original wheelbase is 108 inch. His I want to increase my wheelbase to 112, which is the difference is just 4 inches. But so I'm going to cut the frame off right here. I have some 2x4 steel tubing, heavy wall steel tubing outside. I'm going to overlay it into here, at least about 12, 14 inches or so. It'll sit inside the original frame rail, and then it'll continue at that same angle that's coming up, and then get me to, hopefully the bottom of it will be pretty close to where the top of the frame rail is here. So it'll give me an extra 4 inches above the frame rail from the original point of impact there. They got a bump stop down here too, so the original bump stop was about 4.5 inches, so I'll be 4.5 plus another 4, 8.5 inches higher here, or 8.5 inches that the frame will sit lower than it even potentially could with the original frame. So, and then I'm going to have to remove this cross member, but I think I might cut it off first before I remove this cross member, and I might have to tack something in up there just to keep the width, and so it doesn't flex around too much before I get this guy out. But this guy's riveted in, and it's going to be in the way of the way that I want to add that other tubing in here. So I'm going to have to grind these rivets off, pull this cross member out, and then I'm going to put that other 2x4 square tubing in there, the rectangle tubing, and then I'll weld that all in. We weld it all the way around the outside here. I'll have it welded in here, and then I think I'm going to box the frame in the section where that overlaps, so I have some more to weld to. But that's it for me now. Let's get to cutting. There you have it. The back half of the frame is cut off. folks, I think that's about all I'm going to do for tonight. I'm going to go inside, have some dinner, maybe try to work on editing some of this footage. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below, down there, somewhere. Leave a comment. Give me a thumbs up if you like what we're doing. You want to see more of it.